What's up, everybody? I'm just gonna walk and talk. So I got a long walk here. I'm fishing this, I think it's like a pharmaceutical company. It has this big ass property, and you get kicked out within like 10 minutes every time you come here. But the pond definitely has bass in it, but I've never really been able to fish it thoroughly. But today I'm actually very optimistic because it's completely closed. The gates are locked, so I can't drive my car in, so I had to park super far away, and now I have to have this long walk. But I'm optimistic that there's gonna be no, oh, there's 2 people up there. That's not good. I don't know. Hopefully there's not security guards on duty, but I have a feeling that I'm still gonna get kicked out eventually, but hopefully it won't be as fast as usual. And then after, there's a couple golf courses right near here that should also be closed because it's Monday, and this is closed because it's actually Memorial Day. So hopefully we get some good bass, and hopefully you guys all enjoy the video. Whoa, nice fish. Oh, what? Nice bass. Oh my gosh. Wow, he's ripping some drag. Oh yeah, baby. Wow. Not as big as I initially thought, but a good fish nonetheless. Oh yeah. Look at that. Chunky boy, chunky boy. I thought this guy was way nicer when he first bit, but nonetheless, still a nice PA fish, 2.5 pounder probably. Bro, come on, you good? Just gotta give it one kick and you're fine. There we go. He's got some salad on his mitt and he's good. Ooh, whoa, nice bite. Not a big fish. And he took my swim bait, which is always nice. Actually, not a bad fish here. Not a dink, but ooh, got me good, sharp teeth. Nice little bays. Get him back. Appears to be a good amount of those that size in this pond, but there is some variation in size. Not one of those shitty ponds that is all bass the same size, so that's a good thing for sure. Oh, this is so whack, bro. I was doing well. Really? You guys gotta get some signs or something, man. I'm sorry. Alright, I'll leave. Is there any time that you can fish here, or is no fishing allowed ever? Okay. Yeah, I'm sure people do. You guys don't really have any signs. Alright, have a good one. Oh, so annoying. Alright, well, as you guys just saw, I got booted from the first spot. It was pretty inevitable, wow, because it always happens. Actually, this was probably the longest I've ever fished here without getting booted, which is most likely because it's Memorial Day and there's nobody actually working here right now. Usually these parking lots are filled with employees. But yeah, caught that one nice fish, another fish. I was throwing throwing around some bigger baits, like a big spinnerbait and a 5-inch swim bait. Trying to see if there's some more size in that pond, but if I knew that I was only going to get like 30 minutes of fish, I probably would have tried to catch some more numbers too, but all good. Going to the next spot and we'll see how it is. One of my friends was here pretty recently, so he did very well. But yeah, once again, always the risk that you're going to get booted, because even though it's a golf course that's closed on Monday, I don't think you're allowed to fish there still, but okay, just stay tuned. So little, Jesus. Look at the size of the bait compared to the fish. Little 5-inch bait, little, what, 7-inch fish? Fish on. Okay. And it's a skimmer again. Another small fish. Got this boy right in the eye socket. Good hook set. But it's another fish smaller than what we're looking for. What's good, everybody? Back at the classic let's wait how long we eat until we get kicked out spot, and it is currently 7:30. Came late today because I just think that I'm gonna get kicked out anyway, so might as well fish, get my whatever 30-40 minutes in during the best time of day, which is dusk. And also there's nobody working here at this time, so it makes it better, I guess, even though I think there is at least like 18-hour security, maybe even 24, which is interesting. I think this place might be some sort of government thing or whatever, I don't know, secret, but yeah, we'll see if we can catch some bass. Oh, I hooked a nice one just as it started to pour. Oh, big jump. I saw this guy moving. Ooh, not actually really a nice one, but a super healthy, solid fish right here. Can't be too unhappy with this guy. He's super. Ooh, he's pissing. I thought that was my line and I just touched it. Okay. Ugh. There we go. Hopefully the camera gets this. It's not too wet. Saw a little PA bays right there. A nice bays. And he's good to go. Got one. Came up and smacked it. I was reeling it in. Yeah, got a pretty good fish here. Let's go. I love to see bass that once they get caught, they don't have any marks around their mouths. They have sharp teeth. They're very lively, because that means they're good, healthy fish that aren't getting pressured too much. That right there is a good, healthy fish that's not getting pressured too much. Look at that baby. Pretty solid bass for PA. He's good to go.
A few moments later.
I would say that this is some of the worst I've ever gotten rained on while fishing, and I've had some bad ones. Also, my car is like a 10-minute walk from the spot because you can't actually park inside the work complex because the gate is locked. So I have to park in this neighborhood near it. This is pretty fucked.